going to jail like this. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Shu, back at it again. So we got Shadow. We're gonna get the exhaust fixed today. Brought it at Junior's Auto Repair Muffler Shop, and we're supposed to put on some new studs on here because if you guys don't remember, I completely fucked up, drilled through the hole was threaded, and now I'm screwed. So today we're gonna fix Shadow.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, so finally got the 2 new studs installed. Yeah, I had to get a shop do that for me because there's no way that I was gonna able to get that done. And now it's time to install the rest of the exhaust. So let's do this. So already installed the downpipe, everything's good to go right there. And now we're going to be installing finally the resignated test pipe that I couldn't install last time. Let's get under the car and put on this bad boy. Yeah. You're gonna finish recording, Lily? Here. You finish recording, okay? Okay guys, everything should be installed on the car. Made sure that everything was tightened down. Hopefully one of these pipes doesn't freaking pop off. The whole exhaust is on there. So now it's just time to do a startup. Again, huge shout out to M2 Motorsports for the resignated test pipe. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be able to do my full exhaust because it's getting kind of difficult to get test pipes, you know where. So yeah, if you guys need anything, hit them up. The shipping was no problem and was pretty quick.
The next day.
You guys heard the exhaust, it's on the car, it's ready. I also went ahead and put the AEM sensor on the exhaust pipe. So all we got to do now is connect this gauge and set it up over on the steering wheel. But yeah, I gotta clean this up a little bit because it's been sitting for a while. see if it turns on. See if I didn't fuck up somewhere. So it should turn on when I turn the key. Here it is. Oh yeah. How sick does that look? All right guys, so we're gonna go for a little drive. That way you guys can hear the exhaust, downpipe, resignated test pipe, and just a catback exhaust. Not too loud. But damn, it sure sounds way better than that tiny downpipe. Can't wait to get this thing tuned. Let me give you guys an update on the Evo exhaust. Sounds pretty much exactly how I wanted my exhaust to sound like. Yeah, this may seem like it can do a lot of noise, but it's not that loud actually. It has a pretty nice deep tone, especially with that downpipe and resignated test pipe. Just makes it sound so good. A couple of you guys have been asking me about my HKS blow-off valve and how the car's doing. Some of you want to install one yourself, and you guys are asking me if I'm having any problems with the car. No problems. Once in a while, if I'm coming down in RPM onto neutral, so I let the RPMs drop, it will kind of want to stall, but you just give the gas a little blip and everything's back to normal. That's only sometimes though, not all the time. The car runs pretty good on the normal driving. Obviously I'm not pushing the car since I've got pretty much the complete bolt-on setup and with no tune. Not really pushing the car to its limits. But yeah, the blow-off valve is working fine. I know I should be recirculating, but I want to hear the cool turbo noises. And yeah, so but with everything else, the car is pretty much dialed up, ready for tune. So I'm gonna schedule my tuning appointment pretty soon. Hope you guys are excited for that. Carbon roof still looks good, a little dusty. Haven't washed this car in a minute. We've been getting a lot of rain here in California, so I might give it a quick wash later this afternoon. But yeah guys, hopefully I was able to get you guys some nice exhaust sounds. So yeah guys, hopefully I was able to get you guys some clips. That way you guys know what my exhaust sounds like. Like I said, I wasn't looking for anything too loud, just something that sounds beefy. And with the tune, it's only gonna get better. So any other questions that you guys might have, feel free to message me on my Instagram. I'm not gonna be going E85 just yet. I wanna do a little bit more maintenance on the car before we start pushing 400 plus horsepower. All right guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next week. I know the video already ended, but I just got these in the mail and I'm gonna throw them on the wheels. These are the original OG stickers for the TE37s. I had these when I first bought my wheels, but within time they just slowly started to like come apart. The struggles, guys, the struggles to find camera angles. All right. Oh. What do you guys think?